that song, they touched
No,
me
we
somewhere.
don't,
You know,
we
it
don't,
just
we don't.
they mess me up. Ladies and gentlemen, now welcome to the Late Night Show. Yeah. All right, so now the Late Night Show, BD.
Yeah, we love you.
Not the Late Night Show, BD.
We love you.
We love you.
We love you.
We love you. Misbehaviors. All right, ladies and gentlemen, how are they? Hope everybody did very, very okay. I did very excited because this night we get one correct big masquerade in the building already.
Big masquerade.
Oh, blah, 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 blah. Now my pleasure, now my pleasure.
Wait for it.
Later we gonna announce it. All right, but as it be like this, as usual, your boy Ogbolo. That's my name. Thank you. I thank you very much. I love you too. And of course, my guy, my G, DJ Easy.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
Okay, all right. So, una welcome. Yeah, and yesterday night rain fall, but today now rain no gree fall.
We think
No, you know these days you got to be weather forecaster.
All right.
You understand? That's no sound way. Weather forecaster. You know sound to where.
Yeah.
But I meet yesterday. Okay. I meet one serious fan. He asked for a few for road. You know, I just go to some kind of things for one particular market, and I reached there. The guy, you don't walk up. I said, Ogbe. I say, he said, bro, he called later, introduced me to your wife, the children, and everything. And so we appreciate all of you now. Thank you very much that they watch the show. Yes. I don't remember the guy name again, but you and your beautiful wife and your picking way fine finish. Mary Lantins. All right, boy, as it be like this show don't start, we don't go anywhere. We get one correct guy in the building. And he said we'll soon start the whole P with us. But after cocoa of the day, he go doing things and I'll carry my big masquerade enter inside the show. All right, so no one go anywhere. All right, okay. Now, when we talk, say sometimes, say this is our Oyibo fellow human beings.
Yeah,
say sometimes their own way, it shock person.
All right.
When they do. Last time we hear a person where police no spell the name where. He called them, say, no spell my name where for TV. Now maybe the guy won't define, but no spell my name where.
Embarrass me.
That one day. The other one they say they use the one I talked last 2 weeks or so.
Yeah, last
they go use another picture. We not to bring out in swag.
Yes.
Now I call them, say, come. That picture one I use.
The former.
In the former. I know they like all this kind of picture. Come, I get levels. All my babes are for area. They don't go like that picture.
What's going on here?
Make I send you another one I will use. Now I send them the one we did from side motor like this. Now this one now. She and her boyfriend, they quarrel. Quarrel turn to fight. Fight turn to say the guy will carry knife. Choke his boyfriend. Before they will say, go come. Now the guy go Facebook. With her own finger. Me and my boyfriend, they quarrel. As it become like this now, based on the every, I can't carry knife, can't choke him. Now, I don't rock more for house. I don't say police, they find me. So I just can't talk for this place, so that before they'll catch me, when I don't know what really happened. Here? See the boyfriend for them. Where the girl stabbed. The guy died last.
I'm small picking.
They big before. The guy died last. He losing life. And as it be so, police don't finally catch the girl. The police catch the girl, they still catch him. But this time, no need for confession. What you want to confess again?
Well, you don't already confess.
Any confession already there for Facebook.
You don't confess, don't worry.
They all go download them. All right, just Snapchat that's her confession there. Because she talk everything as they happen.
I just print and come.
But they wonder what they worry them most times. Really, what's be the condition no come be Oyibo again, but you know now Blackie will carry Oyibo mentality.
Now just end time now. What I go just end time.
This end time thing now one of the easiest ways to just. But we know.
Imagine now.
Really, you just spy person. Okay. You got to say just enter street, come and tell the whole neighbor. I don't keep person though. Hey guy, how far now?
I don't keep person.
Guy, what's up now? My guy, what's happen now? I don't keep person just now. I shook a knife. It no makes some kind of sense. But anyway, now their own way for that side. Niger, we get culture. We still get something with the whole us together. Coco number 2. I'm in love with the cocoa. Easy beat. Easy beat. Okay. Anyway, this one now. Hey. Oyibo still. So now for Utah, and this will happen now for still Obodo Oyibo things for inside America. Inside at least 50 American states, polygamous marriage is illegal. Let me say marry past one wife.
Okay.
You know, it is illegal for about 50 American states.
Wow.
You know, but this particular guy now can't come out. Him now, he marry 3 women. The 3 way he marry, twins, they are among the 3. As he marry one twin, come marry the second twin, come see marry their cousin join. So now one full family this guy collect to. See 4 of them. Twins, see the twins, where they by inside, then the cousin did the other side. The 3, now wife them. So him and the 3 wives and their 24 children. 24 children. Now all of them born so. See family, my brother. Yeah? As it be like this now, the twins, they first date the guy some years back to back.
And they did okay.
They did okay.
It was a hit.
So you go lick. The other day, me I go lick my own too. You know, before the cousin can say, wow,
I love your relationship.
Can I join?
Can I join?
That has set at the whole level. Now, to get all of them, one of them offered the marry one that guy before he come marry this guy. No, they marry one that guy. That one first gets his own children. About like 6 children that one don't first get from different wives. So now just, hey, these children they don't born now. How many of them go marry? Can't they date because
liver.
The guy now the hustle say inside, say he no go agree. Say for that place where they live for inside America for Utah. Say they must legalize their own. Say as it be like this now. Say they try fight for the voice of people then way want to do the old school kind of marriage where only you feel marry like 3, 5, 7. You know they cancel the Solomonize things. You understand me? So they fight for your own level now. But really for that side, they feel go wake up one they give them because everything now they legal for America.
They move, they legalize.
Three wife 24.
It's not only Africans or Nigeria don't.
My brother, their own now don't they turn to another thing. We don't they reduce though.
So marry twins. Any Nigerian person don't marry twins.
Twins, don't marry twins back to
come marry cousin.
Some kind of culture they here with the
we go shock you.
even to marry cousin. Wait, cousin. That one even distance cousin the way you don't know how to relate the link. You know fit try it. Talk less of say
come marry twins. Look why not? Don't marry that.
Just say you. Now your timetable will be this today. You know. Tomorrow I'll carry your twin sister. Or how? Or 3 will sleep for 3 of them for the same bed. You say okay. You say okay. You. I they like the way you take the shot. You. I they like the way you take the do face. You. I like the way you take the quiet. Yeah. Now Lord throws away this guy. Just anyway. That Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Oh boy, now so the Dubai police go enter trouble. Dubai policeman, he be want enter sick leave, say make him just go rest. Okay. Now he say Messi, the footballer, they enter town. And as the person wey be now, na policeman wey they stay for airport side.
Okay.
You understand? So as he say Messi don't land, come out from him private jet, now he go home, say one go take picture. Meanwhile, for their own side there, it's not allowed. Say as policeman, you go the farms or you go the hustle because you uniform person, so you carry respect. But the guy, he don't hustle. Come like say no fit, can't go reach where Messi dey. Now he can go look for where they keep their passports. Can't see Messi passport. Now he carry passport. Can't snap himself. Do Snapchat with the passport of Messi and himself. All right, ladies and gentlemen, say na Messi passport be this. Yeah, see the picture. Where you take. Now Messi passport be this, and then my whole hand for hand here. I don't know whether make I thief him, I be make I keep him. He say ha, he just a laugh. Na joke. Now there the remaining authorities they can't see him. They can't say, young man, you go lose your job. In fact, it be like this now. They can't go court now. They can't go court. Say this is what they do. It's illegal. It's wrong. He can't try to defend himself. Say Messi bodyguard there. When he carry the thing, I didn't take permission from the guy. Say guy, make I snap this thing. Say bouncer tell and say. Bodyguard and say go ahead. Say but the person cashier, person wey stand for that reception place, not did there when he won't do the whole level, but the bouncer give him a chance to do it. And they say bouncer no bouncer. This thing, you know, say you be uniform person.
Yeah,
he wrong.
No permit you.
They carry enter court now. Last, they don't say you go lose your job. And as it be so, when they say last, the man they no go keep him. Because for Dubai, then they play. Then they play. So if you don't say if our farms are move Safa, Sabi farms for the whole world. Please, hold yourself sometimes. And know the kind of area where you dey before you can do some kind of things. I don't see where Nigeria police. Nigeria police. As they whine and say, bros, forget uniform. I think come out and now go be civilian. I go snap my own picture. Now we go move on with life. But you know, say in the farms, curtail yourself, your excesses and every. All right. So quickly, ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, make I run enter into another segment of the whole show with our guy within inside the building. But now here I come on top Coco of the day. Anybody want to follow me? Gist. At W Late Night Show, reach on top that level and knock your own part of the gist. For this one I don't name like this now, just let us know how it feel am. Whether not the woman will go put herself on top Facebook, say she kill her boyfriend, or be the guy will go marry 2 sisters, and the second come marry their cousin join. Is it right or is it wrong? Let me know. And the last one, Dubai policeman will go take picture of himself and Messi passport. All right, so W Late Night Show on top Twitter, knock your own gist for there and make all of us relate. We'll come back right now. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.